In the heart of the Gulf of Mexico, Venice, Louisiana, stands as the tuna capital of the world, renowned for its prime yellowfin tuna fishing. Situated where the Mississippi River meets the Gulf, Venice benefits from nutrient-rich waters, creating a haven for marine life. The challenge? Catching the formidable yellowfin tuna known for their size and strength. These fish, weighing between 30 to over 200 pounds, offer a thrilling test for anglers, demanding skill and endurance. To tackle this, anglers select from numerous local charters, ensuring experienced crews and well-equipped boats. The peak season from late spring to early fall promises optimal conditions and abundant fish. Setting out at dawn, the journey to the deep waters is filled with anticipation. The moment a yellowfin strikes, the reel screams, and the battle begins. Anglers must skillfully tire the fish, a test of patience and technique. The result is an exhilarating catch, but with a focus on sustainability, many practice catch and release, ensuring future generations can enjoy this adventure. Venice offers an unforgettable blend of nature, challenge, and camaraderie.